Onboarding, unboxing my my new Apple Airpods Pro. That was kind of chaotic. Sorry about that. First things first, guys. I'm gonna go grab a knife here, but Amazon, make sure to get your address straight. So I'm talking as a digital nomad here. I often travel and I do use Amazon often, but always make sure to address your address right and put phone numbers and yeah, because getting those was quite some. It wasn't nice, but I think I won't need this knife here because they have a nice band here. So this is one of my favorite product. I bought like the normal AirPods quite some time ago and was kind of delighted by the experience. Feels so good to open Apple products. So here's what you get. And I brought them under the pouring rain, the normal AirPods, and they died sometime after. But I used to use them daily for about 2 years. So now we've got some paper here. I'm gonna go grab my phone. They should come in with a battery because that's what Mr. Steve Jobs. That was Steve Jobs' idea, to always have battery in the product. So it comes with like this little box here. You kind of, and yeah, they're in suspension here in the ether, and then you push them out of this little envelope here. So they should come in some shape or form of battery. Nice little product here, feels really good. And I'm opening this thing here. Set up, no. So Bluetooth is on, AirPods Pro. So I've selected AirPods Pro on my iPhone 6, and they should be connected. I'm gonna try them out. It's first time here. So this is right and this is left. Makes sense. Oh, that feels really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that feels really good. So I wasn't sure about the how it would feel to actually have those in my ears, but now that I have them in my ears, feels really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play podcast here. Oh yeah, it sounds really good. So the setup was like, I mean, 15 seconds. It was seamless setup. And let's put it it's putting some music here just to show you the little box here. Up. It's so good. So beautiful, so seamless. Oh yeah, little egg. So let's play some Shingo Nakamura. He's one of my favorite artists. Oh yeah, the sound quality is like epic. So guys, that was my review of these beautiful AirPods here. As you might have noticed, the opening is seamless. I'm just gonna test one thing here. It should work with one ear. Yeah, works with one ear. Is this thing here? I'm gonna set them up on how to start and stop you know. But guys, that's pretty much it. Love this product. We'll give you an in-depth review. One of my favorite product right there, and I'll keep you guys posted. Peace.